Imagine yourself in this 2007 Honda Odyssey XL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features: bucket seats, front side airbag, leather steering wheel, power steering, rear spoiler, floor mats, and AM/FM stereo. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.